So what is up guys? For today in this video I am going to tell you how to buy TCP token. So the TCP token are available in the following exchanges: KuCoin, Gate.io, QuickSwap, Uniswap, Bilaxy, Big One, and X. So since that I'm in this tutorial, I'm going to tell you how to buy from TCP tokens from your GCash to your KuCoin. So the first thing you need to do is create an account on KuCoin. And after creating an account on KuCoin, you just go to the kucoin.com. So upon visiting their website, you can see right here in the buy crypto tab, just click the P2P. Just click the P2P or the P2P or the bank transferred. And as you can see right here, after clicking the P2P, uh, you first need to change the currency. If you're from Vietnam, you can change from Vietnam dong. If you're from the Philippines, just change it to the PHP. Since I am from the Philippines, I am going to change it into PHP. And then right here are the seller of the PHP per USDT. So uh, you need to choose the lowest amount of price of the PHP per USDT. So what I'm recommending to you guys is to choose the fast trading because first as a beginner I also buy using the P2P options. So and I choose the fast trading because it's only 51.84 per pesos per USDT, and just click buy. For example, you have 5,000 pesos, and then paying 500 pesos, you will get 9.64 USDT, and then place an order. After placing an order, you will be directed to these order details. This is the buy order and the order value. And then after that, you will need to choose the payment method. On your GCash, you need to send it to bank transfer, and just put the details here below. So details is already there. And after sending the details, you need to screenshot your receipt and then send it to this. And after that, selecting the bank, just make after please complete the payment within 30 minutes. You have 30 minutes to complete the payment because after 30 minutes the order will be cancelled. So you need to pay it immediately. And notice that do not leave any sensitive characters on your screenshot, and then mark as paid. After marking it paid, you just need a few minutes or a few seconds and until the seller will send the USDT on your account. So you can see the assets. You can see on your asset when the USDT is already on your account. So on your asset, you first need to transfer your USDT into your trading account. And after transferring your from main account to trading account, you just have to click transfer from main account to your trading account and choose the USDT because the USDT is available on your wallet. So after that, go to your trading account, and after that, just click the TCP, the trade, the TCP USDT, and after that you will be redirected to this interface. In here, uh, you can just buy this is the price right now of the USD of the TCP 7.5 PHP per token. And what's happening? It seems like there's a problem with the interface. Okay, so this is the real time price per TCP, and then if you're going to click there 0.7 and the amount, if uh for example you have 100, so I for example 35, and from there are all, are all of your USDT in your account. You can click 125 and then click buy, and then it will automatically buy. So that's it. That is how you buy TCP tokens from your GCash. So thank you for watching.